Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox error code 600. Now, this is not a easy error code to solve because basically you've been banned from playing the game, right? Because maybe you did something bad by mistake, and so the creator has banned you directly from playing that game. Now, usually the most common way to solve this issue is to make a new account entirely, but some users have reported that the method I'm about to show you might work on your account. So from settings, you just have to type in apps, right? Find your app settings here, type in apps, and then go to manage apps. On manage app, just find Roblox in your list here. Let's just scroll through it real quick and find Roblox. There you go, Roblox. Now on Roblox, the thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna clear the cache. So the thing we're gonna do is just click on clear data and then type in clear cache right here. And then just type in OK. And then that's it. Our cache has been cleared. Now, all you have to do is try going to that game again and hopefully it will work. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.